Hello students, in previous lecture we have seen definition of subgroups, some of groups which is Klein-4 groups, quaternion groups and their composition tables. Now in this lecture we will see set of permutations with three elements and structures of elements of S3. So set of permutations of three elements which is set S3. So in set S3 has total 6 elements, so which are identity, psi, psi square, phi, phi psi, psi phi, such that whose property psi cube is equal to phi square is equal to identity and psi square phi is same as phi psi. So we will see the structures of elements in S3. So here we have total in the set of permutation of three elements. So in three elements we will write it identity in triangular form. So here total three elements. So I will write 1, 2, 3. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2 and 3 goes to 3. So I will write it as identity in permutation. So 1, 2, 3. So here 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2 and 3 goes to 3. So this is the identity element. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. This is the identity. Now this element I will rotate anti-clockwise direction. So after rotating anti-clockwise direction, so what will I get? So after rotating, so this I will write this name psi, which is after rotating internal element. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1, means what 2 will be replaced by 1, 3 replaced by 2. So what will we get in this table? So here 1, 2, 3. So internal rotation. So we will replace 2 by 1. So by anti-clockwise direction, this one comes to here and 2 comes to here. So I get, so here 1, next here is 2 and here is 3. So this is the element psi, means psi will be 1, 2, 3. So this 1, 2, 3 and 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 1 and 3 goes to 2. Next again I rotate these elements anti-clockwise direction. So I write this as psi square, which is now 1, 2, 3. Now after rotating again anti-clockwise direction, so here 1 replaced by 3, next 2 replaced by 1 and here 2 replaced by 3. So what will I get? Now this element comes here, so here I get 3, next 1, next 2. So this is psi square. If I again rotate this element anti-clockwise, then what will I get? If I rotating this, means I apply psi again, so which is psi cube equal to, if I rotate this again anti-clockwise direction, then what will I get? Here 3 replaced by 2, means what? I will write here after rotate anti-clockwise rotation, so I will get here 2, here 3 replace here 3 and 1 goes to here. So here I get 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. So this is the structure for identity element, means what? Psi cube is equal to identity, means what we get here? Psi cube is equal to identity. Here this is the property, psi cube is equal to identity. Now Next element is phi, which is so 1 2 3. So this is the three elements. So I will take symmetry. So I will take 1 as a constant, and then I will take mirror image of 2 and 3, means I will replace 2 and 3 or interchange 2 and 3. So after interchanging these two elements, so 3 goes to here and 2 goes to here. So I put 1 as constant and interchanging these two elements. So here what will I get? 5. So 5 will be 1 2 3. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 2. So this is psi, and psi square will be, what is the psi square? So 1 2 3. Psi square, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 1. So the next element 5. So next element is phi psi. I will looking for phi psi. So 1 2 3 in 5 elements. So what I have take, which numbers will be constant? Here 1 I have taken constant and I interchange 2 and 3. Now in this 5 side I will put 2 as a constant, then I will interchange between 3 and 1. So 3 goes to here, 1 goes to here. So 5 psi is equal to, what will I get? Here 1 2 3. So 1 goes to 3, 3 goes, 2 goes to 2, and 3 goes to 1. And next last element will be phi, sorry, psi phi, psi phi, which is equal to, so psi phi. Now in first phi I put 1 as constant. In phi psi I have put 2 as a constant. Now in psi phi, I will put 3 as a constant. So 1 2 3. So 3 as it is, and I will interchange 2 and 1. So 2 goes to here, 1 goes to here. So the elements of psi phi will be 1 2 3. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, and 3 goes to 3. These are all 6 elements. So I will write in the form S3 is equal to identity. Identity means 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3. So psi which is, if I rotate this anti-clockwise direction, then I get psi, and again after rotating anti-clockwise direction, then we will get psi square, and again after rotating psi square by anti-clockwise direction, I get psi cube, and psi cube is equal to again identity, which is the same element of identity. So here what is the property? Psi cube is equal to identity. So what is phi square? So what is phi? Phi is symmetric element. So here 1 is constant. So after rotating, here I have interchanging 3 and 2. After apply phi again on this, so what will I get? So phi composition phi is equal to, means phi is in the elements of phi I have taken one constant, 1 2 3. So one constant means this is the interchange of these two elements. So after interchanging these two elements, so I get here 3 and 2. So interchanging 3 goes to here and 2 goes to here. So 1 as it is. So 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 3, means what? Phi square is equal to again identity, right? So phi square identity, psi cube is equal to phi square is equal to identity. Next, what is the property? Psi square phi is equal to phi psi. So we will see this. So phi square psi. So what is psi? Psi is rotation of anti-clockwise direction, right? So I will rotate phi. So our phi is 1 3 2. So phi is 1 3 2. After rotating after applying psi, so psi phi will be, psi means rotating this structure in by anti-clockwise direction. So what will I get after rotating anti-clockwise direction? So 1 goes to here, 1 3 and 2, and after applying again psi, so psi square, psi into psi phi. So after applying psi, which is psi square phi, right, and psi square. So again applying psi on this function means again rotating anti-clockwise direction. So what will I get here? 2 goes to here, so 2 1 and 3, so 2 1 3, here I get 2 1 3, which is the elements phi psi. So therefore what will I get here? Psi square phi is same as phi psi. This is the property for set S3. So S3 is equal to identity psi square phi psi phi, such that psi cube is equal to phi square is equal to identity psi square phi is equal to phi psi. Now therefore set of permutation of three elements of S3 is also called as D3, which is dihedral group of three elements. Therefore because S3 and D3 is isomorphic, means both set have same element and which there exist function which is 1 1 on 2, and both sets having same property. Therefore because sets S3 is isomorphic to set D3, so both set has same property, therefore both sets are S3 and D3 is isomorphic. Now we will see composition table of set S3. So now to prepare composition table, here phi cube is equal to phi square is equal to identity psi square phi is equal to phi psi. So we will prepare composition table. This group is under multiplication, so I will take multiplication table. So identity psi square phi psi phi. So identity psi square phi psi phi. So I after multiplication, so identity into identity into psi identity into psi square, so phi psi phi. Now after multiplication by psi, so psi into identity psi into psi square, psi into psi square, I get psi cube, and value of psi cube is identity, so here identity. Next psi into phi psi into phi psi. So here psi into psi phi, what will I get? Psi into phi psi. So here psi into psi phi. So here what we have, value of psi phi is, sorry, phi psi is psi square phi. I will write value of this. So psi into phi psi is nothing but psi square phi. So psi square into psi cube into phi. So what value of psi cube is identity, so identity to phi, so which is equal to phi, means psi into phi psi is identity. Next psi into, sorry not identity, here psi into phi psi, which is equal to, sorry, psi into phi psi. So psi into phi psi, psi into phi psi. So value of phi psi is psi square phi, so psi as it is into psi square phi, so which is equal to, here psi square into psi cube into phi, which is equal to psi cube is identity into phi, which is phi. So phi, here psi into psi into psi phi, which is equal to what? Psi square phi, and psi square phi is nothing but phi psi, so this is phi psi. Next psi square into identity psi square into psi, psi cube, and psi cube is identity. Psi square into psi square, psi raised to 4. So psi cube into psi, I will write this as psi raised to 4 is equal to psi cube into psi. Psi cube is identity into psi, which is psi. Next, psi square into phi. So psi square phi, and psi square phi is phi psi. Next, psi square phi psi. So what will I get? This is psi square phi psi. Psi square phi psi. So which is equal to psi square phi is phi psi, and here psi as it is. So now here psi square phi is equal to, sorry, psi square into phi psi, which is equal to, so what is value of psi square phi? Psi square phi is phi phi psi. Here psi square into phi psi, psi square into phi psi, which is equal to, here value of phi psi is psi square phi, so psi square as it is, so phi psi is psi square phi, which is equal to psi raised to 4 phi, so which I write it as psi cube into psi phi, which is equal to identity, here psi cube identity, I get phi psi phi psi phi, and next psi square into psi phi, so I will get psi cube phi. Psi cube is identity, means what? Only phi. So here phi into identity phi into psi, phi into psi square, so phi into psi square. So I will write it as phi into psi. So what is value of phi psi? Phi psi is psi square phi into psi, so I will write it as psi square into value of phi psi is again psi square phi, which is equal to, here I get psi cube into psi phi, we get psi phi, so here psi phi. Next, phi into phi square, and phi square is identity, phi into phi psi, so phi into phi psi means here phi into phi square identity, only remain psi, so phi into psi into psi phi, which is equal to, so phi into psi phi, what will I get? Here in these two, phi psi, so phi psi is psi square phi into phi as it is, so phi psi square phi square, value of phi square is identity, so psi square into identity means what? Psi square. So next, phi into phi psi into identity phi psi, next phi psi into psi square, so I get phi psi square, phi into psi into psi, which is equal to phi, what is the value of phi psi? Phi psi is psi square phi into psi, again value of phi psi square, so phi psi is psi square phi, we get psi cube into psi phi, so I get psi phi here, because this value is identity. So next, phi psi into psi square, so phi psi into psi square means phi psi cube identity, only remaining phi psi into phi psi into phi, which is equal to, what is value of phi psi? Which is psi square phi, so value of this is psi square phi into phi as it is, so phi square is identity, means only psi square. Next phi psi into phi psi, so phi psi into phi psi, so we get, so what is value of phi psi into phi psi? So phi psi is nothing but, so I will write this as phi psi is psi square phi, so phi psi as it is into psi square phi, so I get phi into psi cube into phi, so psi value of psi cube is identity, so only remaining phi into phi, so phi square, which is equal to identity, so phi psi into phi psi is identity. Now next, phi psi into phi psi into psi phi, so which is equal to, so here I get phi psi into psi phi, which is equal to, so what is value of phi psi? So phi psi is psi square phi into what? Psi phi. So again I will write phi psi. So phi psi is psi square as it is. Phi psi is phi psi into phi. Sorry, here I get psi square phi. Here I get psi raised to 4 means psi cube into psi, and here phi square. Psi cube is identity into psi into identity. So finally I get only psi. And last composition will be psi phi. Here psi phi, next psi phi into psi phi into psi, which is equal to, from this last two, what is value? So phi psi is psi square phi, so identity means only phi. Next psi phi into psi square, psi phi into psi square, which is equal to, so I will write it as psi phi, so psi phi into psi and psi, which is equal to psi, so value of psi phi is psi square phi and again psi, so this is value psi cube identity, only remaining phi psi. And next psi phi into phi, so phi square identity, only remaining psi. Next psi phi into phi psi, psi phi into phi psi, which is equal to, here phi square identity is psi into phi square psi, so psi into identity into psi, which is equal to psi square. And last psi phi into psi phi, so psi phi into psi phi, which is equal to, I will combine these two elements, so I get psi. So what is phi psi? Phi psi is psi square phi into phi, so psi cube phi square, psi cube is identity, phi square is identity, which is identity. So here what we get here? Here I get both same elements, so uh, here phi psi into phi psi, so phi psi into phi psi, what I get here? Phi psi into phi psi, which is identity, again psi phi into psi phi, again identity, psi phi into psi phi, again identity, means its order will be 2. This is the permutation group of 3 elements, which is S3, and this is the composition table of set S3.